In this video, I'm going to show you how to control the field label position within a form. So, what do I mean by field label position is, say, take for example, if you are in a summary page, okay, of your, say, model-driven app. So, currently I have I'm in customer service hub application and I'm in specifically on cases field. So, let me open the cases table. So you will see the case table which has case title, case number, subject, customer line. Now see how this is aligned. So you have something called as a label over here, and besides it you have the field for that case title. So you have a label and then you have the input field. Label and input field. So that's side by side, right? Now, what if we want to make it one on top of the other? So, like this. So, instead of the field here and the field over here, so the label and field on the horizontal row, but what about I want to make it one after the another? So, how can I do that in model driven app? So it's pretty simple. So what you need to do is, like, first you need to open the form in an edit mode. So for me it's a Girish custom form. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into the table. So case. So under case table, I'll open the case table in the backend make.power apps, and then I'll click on forms, and then from thereby I can select Girish custom form. Click on it, and then this page will be visible to me. Now here, if you see. This is how the form is structured, right? So let me again open this form. Let me close this. Yeah. So this is the form which I have opened. So the goal is basically from we want to make it like this, one after the another. So I have created a separate tab called as repo, which is like the problem, and demo is our solution. Okay, so I want to make it one after the other. So I'll operate on repo tab. So I'll operate on the repo tab over here. Now, if you see this repo tab, what you need to do is you need to first select the section. Okay, so this is the component, this is the field within that section. Okay, so these are like all individual fields. Now I'll select a section, and from here, what I can do, from component label position, instead of left, I want to make it top. So if you see this indication, it says fields are on the left hand side, label left. So it's a horizontal arrangement. Now here I want to make everything as horizontal. So first label and then the component, label and then the component. So I'll select say top. Okay. So if I select top, then you see the alignment has changed. Okay. What I'm gonna do, I'll go save and publish. Once I do that, this should reflect the same as demo. Okay. So let me do a control F5. Now the field for repo section is like one after the other. Okay, so this is one after the other, one after the other, so like this. Okay, so it's another way to represent your form components. Okay, now this is good. Now there's a different way, like if you navigate to the backend application, like if you click on say advanced setting and then customize the system, or maybe through a form, if you go into the classic view. So if I navigate to the classic view, we get some other options as well. Okay, now it's a different representation, basically how you want your form field to be structured. Okay, which is not available in the modern interface edit. So if I navigate to, say, take for example demo. Now here what we did is we went to repo over here. So in repo what we have done is, if you see, this one is left aligned. Okay, so left aligned. Now if I select a section, okay, if I select the section, not the component but the section, and double click on it, so then it will show me the formatting properties of that section. Now If you scroll down, just now we made this change. Side, instead of side, we made it on top. So instead of on the side, we made it on the top. Now there are other arrangement as well. Like say, if I click on say side now, okay. Now I can select the field label alignment as either left, right, or maybe center. Okay. So let me show you this option of right. You can select center as well. So I'll just click on OK. And remember, I'm in this repo section. So if I click on save and if I click on publish, so that's it, folks. This is how you basically make use of form field controls, and you can make it one on top of the other, as I see over here in this particular screen. Thanks for watching.